Hi everybody, today it's the 7th of September 2020. I'm gonna be making Seamoss. This is in a dry form and I get it from this on eBay. This is how it looks like. So that's a dry form. So you take this much amount or more.
Hi guys.
Hi. And then you fill the jar, put it in the jar, and then you add some, 1 second darling, and soak it up overnight, 8 hours minimum, and then you get something like this. That's how it look like. That's how it look like. I'm gonna fill it. Okay. What does it feel like? Cold?
Yeah.
It feels cold. Okay, that's how it look like. So, drained all the water, I've soaked it in. So now I'm gonna pop it all in there. Seamoss. It's Seamoss, darling. Sometimes I chop it up, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. Some people cook it. Okay, some people cook it. I've never cooked it before. So, and then I'm gonna fill some water and level it out. Maybe that much. It's gonna turn into a gel. Okay, just water. And I'm gonna do it for 1 minute. The noise, I know, but what can we do? Hey, what can we do? Don't make Seamoss. Okay, it become a gel like this. Okay, that's the old one. I'm just gonna wash that. And last it another 1 minute. So I did it for 2 minutes. Sorry guys for the noise. If I know how to take it off, I will take it off. There it is. It's all liquid now. And I'm going to pour it in the mason jar. Let's wash this. Smarties already. Is it even 12? Maltesers, not Smarties. Okay, now open it up. Yeah, it's nice and smooth like that. Sometimes we fill it up, it depends how much we have. But today we have this much. And then it's gonna thicken up and become gel. Like, as I was saying. Unless it's very loose. Sometimes we do get loose one, but it's like this. Okay, like that, gel. You can put it on your body. I'm gonna do an article about it. The benefits of Seamoss. Okay, that's that. Now I'll use the same thing because I've got some Seamoss there. Add more banana. Okay, that's for the next, really. That's the next thingy. Thank you very much, guys. I shall see you next time. That's how you make Seamoss. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and so that you can see other videos like this. I make a lot of videos about green juice, healthy meals and healthy foods, and healthy juice like juicing, green juice and smoothies and stuff like that. Okay, thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.